Good morning, children. Today's date is 12th August and the year is 2021. Today's day is Thursday. In our numeracy class, we'll be learning how to write number 4 and also learn what is the value of number 4. Children, let's start by counting. Yes, so we begin counting from number 1. So how many fingers do you see here? Open. 1. Yes, let's go to the next one. What comes after 1? 2. Yes, so this is the numeral 2 and this is the value. How many fingers are open? 1, 2. And what's the number that comes after 2? So we have 1, 2, 3. Yes, so this is the numeral 3. And what's the value? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 fingers are open. What comes after 3? Is number 4. Yes, so this is the numeral 4 that we are going to learn to write today. And let's see the value. How many fingers are open here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, that's 4 fingers are open here. So let's start counting again. Yes, we start counting from number 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, this is the numeral 4. Yes, this is the name. This is how we write number 4. Or 4. And there are 4 bumblebees here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The apples here. How many apples do you see? Let's count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see 4 apples here. Few children are playing in the park here. So let's count how many children are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, they are engaged in some active play. Yes, somebody is skipping, somebody is doing exercise. Yes, so there are 4 children playing in the park here. This is an image of a chair. Now let's count how many legs does this chair have. So these are the legs of the chair. Yes, which supports the chair. So let's count how many legs does this chair have. So this is 1, 2, that's the front one. Now let's go behind. 3 and 4. Yes, the total there are 4 legs in this chair. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Children, now let's learn how to write number 4. Yes. So I'm holding my pencil this way. Yes, it shouldn't be up here, not near that point. It's just here. Okay. So let's start writing. So we start with a slant line coming downwards. Yes, so I take this point, I come slant down. It's a slant line, I stop. From this, I make a sleeping line. Stop. Right? And now I'm going to cut it with a straight line. So here, I cut it with one straight line down. Yes, that's number 4. Let's try once again. Yes, make a slant line down. Stop. Then we make a sleeping line. Stop. And then I'm going to cut it with a straight line down. Yes, that's number 4. Yes, let's do it once again. Start with a slant line. Come down. and stop. Then join it with a sleeping line. That's it. Stop and then cut it with one straight line down. Yes. So this is the way we write number 4. Now let's come to our practice sheet. Parents, please make a similar worksheet in your child's numeracy notebook for them to practice writing number 4. Okay, so this is an easy number. Yes, just slant line, sleeping line, straight line. Yes, that's it. And that's the way we make number 4. So let's do it. Let's trace here. Slant line down, sleeping line, and straight line. Let's do it. Slant line, join it with the sleeping line and a straight line. Let's do the dots. Yes, we join the dots, slant line, then a sleeping line and cut it with a straight line. Again, starting from here, slant line down, join it with a sleeping line and cut it with a straight line down. Now let's write it ourselves. So we start with a slant line down, then a sleeping line and cut it with a straight line coming down. Once more. Slant line coming down, join it with a sleeping line and cut it with one straight line down. Yes, so this is the way we write number 4. Yes, and here I want you to draw 4 squares. Yes, so this is the way we draw a square. A square has 4 sides. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. All the sides are of the same size. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides of a square. Yes, standing line, same length of sleeping line, same length of standing line and again same length of sleeping line. Yes, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. All the lines have to be of the same size. Yes, that's a square and then you can color it. This is the way you're going to complete this worksheet in your numeracy notebook and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning!